Yes children, it is question number 8 from 13.2 of class 9. That is, we are finding the curved surface area of a cylinder. Then let us see what is the aim to be reached here. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical piping of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Here there is a hot water heating system. And in that system there is a pipe shaped cylinder. There is a pipe. It is in cylinder shape of height 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. So we have to find the total radiating surface. If it is the piping system, this is the shape, and this portion, these two portions will not be heated, only this portion will be heated. That means curved surface area. So here we have to find the total radiating surface in the system. That means this area will be, that is the curved surface area. So you should find the curved surface area of this particular cylindrical piping. So we know that is a C as a curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and here r is radius, diameter is 5 centimeters. So radius is diameter divided by 2, that is 5 divided by 2, and height given, that is length, it is 28 meter. So for the convenience we can take 20 meter into centimeter, that is we should multiply this with 100 and we are getting 2800 centimeters. So we can substitute the values to the equation. How can we substitute this value? Okay, 2 into 22 upon 2 into 5 upon 2 into 2800. So after the calculation, what will be the answer? We should find the value after calculation, that is 44,000 centimeter square. So we can change this in meter. That is, when you change this in meter, how it will be? There should be 200, that is 4.4 meter square. 4.4 meter square is the area is radiating. Did you understand? It is the area. It was our aim to find the surface area of radiation or radiating. Did you understand? Then write in your fair copy.